kind of feel a little bit like the Corpse Bride, but it's okay. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Tori, and I'm back with a whole another video. Today I thought I would add my own little twist to doing your makeup in alphabetical order, and I took all of my makeup and I put it in this little bin, and we are going to pull out the different aspects of my makeup and do it in that order. So I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys are too. Before I jump into my video, don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. I upload almost every single day. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. It really helps out my channel, and let's jump on into the video. Hey guys, Grace from the future, I forgot to tell you guys to enter my giveaway. Don't forget to do that. It is right here. You have a chance to win anything from the Bloodlust collection from Jeffree Star. So if you're interested, click that link. I am just going to pull out the first item. I am going to look away. Okay. It's a pink one. I don't remember what I wrote on any of these. Mascara. Okay, so we're going to be doing our mascara first. So I'm going to be putting my mascara on like I usually would, except it's going to be the first thing I do. So we're going to see what the heck happens. So there is our mascara. It is time to pull out our next item. Ooh, it's a blue bronzer. So we're gonna do our bronzer before our foundation today. This is gonna be a good time. I'm gonna have a tactic to this. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. that I tried the other day because it was way too dark, and maybe if I put it on, it will show under the foundation. I'm just like attempting to do this kind of aggressive so that it'll show, but we'll see. Next is, ooh, another pink. I haven't gotten any yellow. Eyeshadow. Oh boy. So we're gonna try and navigate this. I kind of wanted to do like a crazy eyeshadow look today just because I'm in the mood. I wanted to really use my purples and pinks and blues because I love playing in those. So let's see what I can do. Okay, this was kind of low-key a disaster, but the good thing about not having foundation is that we can just fix it and clean it up. We're just gonna roll with it. Perks of quarantine. I know there's quite a few people that actually do their eyeshadow before they do their foundation. I am not one of them. One of my eyes is bigger than the other, and it's showing. It looks like it's about to storm so bad. Good thing I have on my rainy day makeup. I wish I had diamonds because I could dot them, and that would just make this look so much better. We are gonna roll with that. Next, we are going to do eyeliner. I guess that worked out. Since this is so aggressive, it doesn't really matter if I horribly screw up my eyeliner because you kind of won't be able to tell. So, perks. So now that we have our eyeliner on, what are we going to do next? Oh, there's two stuck together, but one of them's already open. Concealer. Oh, wow, what a time. Usually do this after my foundation, but you know, there's a first time for everything. This is going to mess up the eyeshadow I did under my eyes, but we're just going to roll with it. Okay, I managed to salvage the little bit of eyeshadow under my eye, but I did put concealer on, as you can tell. Oh, my laundry's done. That's a good time. Now we are going to pull out our next item. Eyebrows. We can do eyebrows. I haven't been showing you guys these. I hope that you trust me, because I completely forgot. Oops. Is it me, or did it just get darker in here? Yeah, it's definitely about to storm so bad, and since I rely a lot on natural lighting, sorry, we're looking like the Addams Family. Can't wait to try and put foundation on over all of this. Yeehaw! Next we have our lips. Oh, okay. I don't know. I think I'm just going to do my lips nude because I have no idea how this is going to turn out, and I don't know. I don't want to make it any worse than it is. I can't believe I haven't put foundation on yet. I feel like, I don't know, I feel off. My face is gonna be like, please, wash me. Oh, yellow. Finally! Got some foundation up in here. So, foundation. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. foundation that I did a video on. And we, I guess, are just gonna cover all of our skin and try not to mess up our eyes. or our brows. My foundation is pretty pale, so this is going to be interesting. Okay. It doesn't look terrible. I expected it to look a lot paler, but we're good. Oh, we only have 3 more, and this is one of them. Blush. Oh, I forgot about blush. So my blush and my highlighter have mixed because they're old, so I'm not going to do highlighter. But we are just going to put some blush on. And, oh, I thought it was 2, but it's actually 1. I know what this is going to say. Falsies. So now we have to put our false lashes on. This may take a sec, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I'm not in love with it. Definitely have had better days, but I'm glad that I did this challenge. I actually had a lot of fun. I know I can't really tell. I'm kind of in a down mood. I don't really feel too great, so that's why. We talked about this a couple videos ago, but homegirl is still feeling under the weather, so that is why. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to enter my giveaway.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.